Tally has come up with a very unique function to help the chartered accountant to save a lot of time while working on the data. Okay, one of the function that is enabled in Tally Prime now we are going to look at. So we go to display, then as a chartered accountant we go to trial balance, and then we look at a report. Okay, so every time trial balance is being seen in the default manner, and this is actually a way of working in Tally that every time when you configure a report and you work on it, you do some configurational changes, and as soon as you come back, it turns back to the default view. Okay, so now in Tally Prime we have to save that configuration settings so that we can use that report every time whenever we log in again into that company. So every time that we want to have a look at the same report, I don't have to do the same configuration settings. So here I'm taking the example of trial balance. This can be applied to almost all the reports: sales register, purchase register, outstanding, GST report. There are many more. So I have trial balance here. I press F12 and I say show opening balance, yes, show transactions, yes, type of grouping, group wise, detailed, expand all levels in detail format. So as you all know that every time we want to have a look at the trial balance in this fashion, but as soon as I'll press escape, it will turn back to the default mode. So now in Tally Prime, we have the option of save view. So I can click on save view and I can say detailed trial balance. Okay, now here do you want to set this report as a default view? I would say no. Do you want additional configuration? Yes. And here, this is a very important function. I want to save this format of reporting for all my companies so that I don't have to even do the configuration of this sort in any other company. So if it is done for one company, it can get applied to all other company data as well. Okay, so that will help us to save a lot of time. I click on accept yes, and now I press escape, go to trial balance, and then I click on change view, and I have that detailed trial balance here on a click of a button. I can use another method. I can go to that is the you can say the search window of Tally Prime, and then you can click on detailed trial balance, or you can simply type here the names that you have saved, detailed trial balance, and it is available on a click of a button.